Oh, we're going down the highway, heading down to the repair shop, because my wheel seems to be fucked. So let's get in the repair shop and then they don't weld the wheels on, but fuck it, let's weld them on there anyway. See, my back wheels are done fucked. Oh shit. Holy fuck, she's smoking good. Let's look at it. Try not to get a whole bunch of black shit so I don't have to go get another in the microwave so soon. Second hand, obviously, because I'm not going to go buy a whole new microwave to just fucking burn it. Man, this car's got some pretty good Hot Wheels. Lol, right? Shitty joke, whatever. Fuck you. As long as it doesn't burn the door, I'm okay with it. Damn. A lot worse than a popped tire, eh? This car is growing upward like a melting tree.